Do you want to make some fast PayPal money? How about earning anywhere from 40 cents up to $1.50 in minutes? And best of all, you can do this again and again, and it's worldwide. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this opportunity here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. It's going to be a quick one here. And you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, this is a perfect opportunity to make some extra money, basically to make some fast PayPal money. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the site that we are going to have a look at today is SuperPay.me. You can see it right here at the top. And I'm going to explain to you how you can make fast PayPal money. It is because they have a minimum payout of $1. So it means that you can be paid literally more or less the same day that you actually start to apply for these opportunities here. So how it works is, let's go have a look at how it works here. You can see here, what you do is you join for free, you complete your registration, it takes you less than a minute. You actually receive a 20 cents bonus when you join. So you're going to take part in surveys and offers, make money by taking part in paid surveys. They have hundreds of new surveys available every day. And you can also earn by watching videos, completing paid offers and trials. So there is definitely more opportunities there to pick from. You can see here if we scroll down a little bit, these are some free paid surveys, some paid trial and offers, some videos they show you here, and you earn of course with the referral program that they have also. So this is really cool because you can see here live on payouts and stuff like that what is happening right now. So the first one here, he has completed an offer which is number 3050. Oops, there it goes. Let's see at this. He has completed a Your Service International Paid Service Unlimited and it's worth 75 cents. The next one is worth $1.10, 70 cents, 65 points, 660 points, $1.30. So you can see that there is a lot of variety and it all depends on the survey, how many questions and stuff like that. The more questions, of course, the more you earn there. So no doubt about that. Let's have a look at actually the make money online. So you can see here there are many ways to make money online. You can find it right here. You can actually have a look at the details here if you just go to the section where it says make money online. So I'm not going to bore you with this one. Okay, so this is the reason why I mentioned 40 cents and $1.50 because these are for the paid surveys. But it doesn't mean that it is only this amount. It can actually be more depending on what kind of a task you're going to apply for. Definitely you're not going to get rich once again, as I said here. So you absolutely must check out my #1 recommendation at the end of the video, of course. Let's move on here. You can see here the referral program. You can actually earn 25% of your referral earnings. It means that you make 25% of anything that the people that you refer to, you make 25% of what they earn, okay? And there is 20 cents sign-up bonus also, so your referrals, they all receive that as well. And here are some FAQ also. I just have a quick look here at one point is 1 cent, actually 100 points or $1. Now, the minimum I can withdraw is $1. So that is how you can make fast PayPal money, okay? So of course the option here is PayPal. If you don't want it, you can go for Skrill, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. But I think probably most of you would be interested in making some fast PayPal money to use on other things there. And you can see here how long does it take to get paid. All verified payments are issued within 24 hours. What fees do you charge? Let's see here. There is a 2% processor fee for PayPal and Skrill. Bitcoin is 10%. There is usually some contests also around, so you can have a look at the details here. So they are telling you how it works here, basically, more or less. Let's see if there was also the payment proof. You can see here that it is a trusted site. So I had a look actually around at by searching on Google for this company, and it is a legit company. So there might be delay or something sometimes, but they do pay out. So you can see here people that has been paid out. Here the member name, the date, and here is the amount. So only until today you can see that there is tons of people that has been paid, okay? And there is small amounts, there is also bigger amounts, so definitely a good way to make some extra money online. Alright, so all you have to do is just go to superpay.me, check out the details, sign up and make some extra money online there. As I said in the beginning, you're definitely not going to get rich with this opportunity. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another make money online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.